simple as that to catch a rat.
Hello everyone, it's John from Chilliwack. I'm going to show you today where I have a rat running underneath my sun deck under the concrete floor. I'm going to set up some traps and the trail camera, and I'm going to catch this little sucker because I hate rats near my house. I'm going to show you right now. I've got a couple of my traps set up. I've got my trail camera set up right here, and if you look down here underneath my sun deck, there is 2 traps set up, some of my old traps, and if you look closely, you can see a den where a rat has crawled underneath the concrete floor from underneath my sun deck and is living down there. I've already got some trail camera footage of him going back and forth. He actually picked up that leaf and brought it over and put it in front of the trap. Maybe he's saying, I'm done with this one. Who knows? Anyway, I've set up a couple of traps around here. These are a couple of my old beater traps. I've got some really nice ones, but I use these ones because they keep on working. Anyway, I'll show you some video. I'm going to catch this rat. He comes out of that hole at night, and I'm hoping to lure him with some peanut butter and sunflower seeds inside these traps. No one wants a rat. It's as simple as that to catch a rat, a Chilliwack rat. Talk to you later. I want to show you what's going on here. The rat is attracted to the little bit of peanut butter I've put down on the front of the trap, right on the main entrance here. It's out in the open, it's nice and safe. Then what happens is the rat will get a little bit of peanut butter on the edge of the opening and maybe a couple of sunflower seeds. Over time, the rat will continue to venture further and further into the trap. Sometimes it takes days. What's happened is I put a little bit of peanut butter on the metal bar. I put a couple of sunflower seeds in the center of the trap, and I put sunflower seeds and peanut butter at the back of the trap because that's where all the main food is. The rat is going to get more and more comfortable sticking its head in the trap going, I want that food at the back. It takes sometimes a couple of days until the rat decides I'm going for it. It's nice and safe. Puts its foot on the metal bar, reaches forward, and gets caught in the trap. Watch how many times this rat sticks its head in the trap. It might take days, but we'll get that rat and dispatch it. Well, let's see what we have inside this trap. Oh, it's a heavy one. Oh, this old beater. Oh, finally, that monster. Oh, look at that. Perfect. I've been looking to try to get that mother rat for a long time. We're going to get rid of that. What a great day. This trap finally worked on getting that large rat out of that hole right back there where it's gone underneath my Sundeck. And there's a burrow. So I'm going to keep on putting traps out here to catch more rats if there is a brood, a little pack that has been born down there. So I'm going to keep on monitoring this.
Simple as that to catch a rat.
Chilli-wack rat. If you don't like rats around your house, you should get a Chilliwack rat trap. For all your rat trap videos, you can watch Chilliwack rat on YouTube or Facebook. Like and subscribe, share, buy local. Thanks. It's John from Chilliwack rat.
Simple as that to catch a rat.